We're still looking for parts for our 2007 Suburbicon. And Uncle Scotty's also working on his own project of a Honda. I have no idea what Honda. So I guess we get to go to more junkyards. We visited a couple junkyards when we went to go see Godsmack in Albuquerque. And this was the second of the two that we went to go visit. That was a cool car over there. I think it was a Caddy, a 50-something Caddy. Might have stole the Tiguanodon. I want to check this out real quick first. They have some cars out here. Oh, there's a square body Suburban. Maybe I'll take a look at that here in a minute. Oh, that's not a... I thought that might have been a Cadillac from a distance, but that's what, an Imperial? That's cool. Comes with a fender from something else. Probably a work truck. Yeah, I couldn't see what it was when we were off-roading. Man, that is a wild grill. Yeah, I saw it from a distance. I wanted to come check it out.
It was bought as a project years ago and nobody ever did anything with it.
There's a lot of that's a lot of project.
Yeah.
I could see there's a little bit of cancer on it and stuff.
Oh, I'm sure it's everywhere.
Definitely got some character though.
Yeah, it's different.
Look around for a while.
Yeah, what'd you do?
Not really looking for anything right now. I'm always on the lookout for a new project is what it is. And how do you say the name of your business?
Suarez.
Suarez.
Yeah.
Suarez. You're pretty close. That's a cool looking Mercedes. Mustang. Oh, that's still got the dealer on it. SRT wheels. Does this run? Yeah. I seen the dealership plate on the back. Yeah. Is it the full-on SRT or just the wheels? Definitely a Hemi though. OBS Chevy. That's nice. Looks like a four-wheel drive version. 2,500. Man, that's the right door, but the wrong wheel well, right? For my 07 Suburban?
Yeah, this is a GMC.
Yeah, the hood bezel's different, right?
Yeah,
the light bezel?
the light.
Yeah, the light bezel looks a lot bigger.
Yeah, because it's a GMC, not a Chevy.
Yeah, well, it's already got a Yukon door, so it's more of a Suburbicon.
The doors
Are
the
the
back
same.
is the same. What changes is the fucking headlights and the front wheel.
And this is all I need too, except for black.
That's what the other guy said a couple weeks ago. We get them all the time. I'm writing down my phone number. We get cars in almost every day.
Does that one run?
Yeah, this
Or is that why it's parked there? Because it
No,
doesn't look like it's damaged at all.
No, this just needs time.
How much you want
Eventually,
for it?
I'm going to get to the point where I'm going to... No, I'm just trying to clean up.
I know. How much you want for this though?
We had this. I have a brand new set of tires to put on it. And we need a 1,600 I'm going to list it for.
1,600?
68.
68? How many miles?
It was right around 200.
5.3?
Yeah. That's a 14.
Hey, Scott.
Is that
That's a small block Chevy right there.
really? I don't know what's wrong with it. This is the guy that does all the Chevys back there. I know he's been taking parts off it because he's been building other ones. So I don't know if the motor's good or not. But he's out of town. He'll be back like on Wednesday.
That is definitely a Vortec, dude.
Really? I mean, they're rare.
Especially if it's got a big block in it.
I don't know what it has. I just know he just bought it with a messed up motor from Gallup, but that's all they do.
Long bed Fred over here. 4-door. It's the 3/4 of a ton.
You could write down my number and walk around, see if you find anything.
Will do.
And then just...
Yeah. You got a pen, Scott?
That's the El Paso number.
Yeah. El Paso.
Oh, well then you drive right by us all the time.
I go back and forth. Occasionally. I used to live out there.
We race there in Bavo.
In Balo? What do you guys race?
There's an SRT. It says SRT, but isn't that a Chrysler logo on the front? You don't know anything about it. Seriously don't know anything about it. SRT8. It's not an Accord. That's the kind I used to have. That's exactly the body style I had.
What's a body style that's that car?
Then I bet you it's a Civic, because it's small. The Accord's bigger. That's exactly the body style I used to have. If it has the same trunk, it's the same one. No, this is a year older than mine. Super Duty. And they have a lot of nice cars here. There's an Accord right there. This one's got that K20 in it, I bet. What do you guys think? I think that's the body style with the K20. I'm not for sure though.
That's too nice to be not impounded.
Well, yeah, a lot of these ones are. They're like brand new. Oh, see, there we go. We should have planned a lunch ahead of time. Look, I have one like this. Oh, except for this is the heavy duty 3/4 ton. It's the Suburban. It's not the Tahoe. I have one like this. It's a Tahoe. They got the tow package. What? Got a BMW over here. Oh, that's a cop Expedition. It's the compact version. Man, they really have that one boxed in. Now, what is that? That's got 10 lugs, almost like I need for my... Is that a Dodge, maybe? I'm gonna have to look into that. Those look like the wheels I need for my 55 Chevy. You can see it in the link above. Ambulance. I've never seen an ambulance at a junkyard before. This Honda has the same problem yours does. Ooh! Now what do we have here? This is in really good shape. Missing a gas door, but other than that, this thing's complete. Hey Scott, come check this out. See if I can find a switch right now.
So pop is good? It looks like it's popped.
Okay, let's pull it then. You get the supercharger? Nope, just a ram air. The cold air intake. That's so you can get extra air besides that.
Extra airflow. Makes sense. This was a 5.7.
Oh, so it's the Hemi. If the giant cylinder heads couldn't tell you that already.
The intake costs more than the car.
I know somebody who might be interested in that. He's planning on putting a 5.7 in something right now. Look at the graphics on this bad boy. Hey, that's custom airbrush right there. Okay, so that's a sticker and then it's got airbrush behind it. Custom pinstriping. They got all the chrome on them though. Look at that hood. Got a Mustang over here. 2008 Ford Mustang, 146k miles. Stock. Has it got 2 exhaust pipes or just 1? 2 exhaust pipes. Is it the V8? Y'all are gonna overheat on me in a second. This is the V6 with a cold air intake, and it is the 3-pedal edition GTI. It's got the plus 30 horsepower pedal with 6 goes and 1 reverse. You know, I've never seen a GTI engine. Now remember, you all need to be quiet because I'm not supposed to be filming. Oh, the hood don't open unless you got the key in it. This must be that rare rear engine Dodge. Oh look, there you go. There's your Coyote engine right there. Right. I've been framed. Okay, that was a bad joke. What engine do we got here? That is not a Chevrolet engine, is it? Oh yeah, it says G. Is that GM right there?
Yeah.
What is that then? Because that is a big intake.
Cylinder.
No, it's a B8.
It is.
Check this one out. The exhaust manifold's on the inside. I don't know what engine that is. Oh, it's a Ford engine. Diesel, 4-valve, F-Series. I have no idea what engine this is. Light duty engine. That's weird that the exhaust manifolds are on the inside of the engine. This is just like our Suburban. It's just a 2-door short wide. Little S10. It's a lifted up OBS. That's nice. A dump bed trailer is what I need more than anything else here. But need and want are two different things, you know? Oh, it's an OBS. 3/4 ton. Yeah. But this is the OBS. It's not the... Dang, that thing looked really nice before I opened the door and ruined it. What engines it got in it?
The big block.
The 454. I like the short bed. All I'm saying is Frankenberry here has a pretty good shape. Oh, here you go. That's a nice truck. It's got the suicide doors. Nice bumper. Long bed. Six-seater, 4-wheel drive. I can't get to the hood latch. That's a cool truck. Fun fact, I stole the axle out of one of these and made a trailer out of it. They got a dually bed on that one. Hey, that's a 2500, Scott. Is that got a Cummins in it?
I don't think so.
It's stuck shut. Might be. No, it's not. It's a Chrysler 200G. Oh, now they're just showing off their 4-wheel drive abilities.
For junk.
Those Impalas are good Impalas. Probably still ran. I'm sure that'll buff out. This is what happens to your truck after eating Taco Bell. That's an interesting braking system. That cop car looked like it fought Optimus Prime and lost. Bad boys, what you gonna do? Good Lord. I hope everyone was okay in that one. Oh, look, there's an Escalade. Not a Nissan fan, it can stay here. Mini Cooper. Oh, it's the S. That's the fast one. I've driven one of those. I didn't own one. I drove it at a car lot just to move it for a sale they were having. Subaru all-wheel drive. What in the truck is this? Okay. Oh, it's a Tahoe. That's why it's so short in the back. Okay. Engine's already pulled. Looks like they did the hard work so you don't have to. What do we got here? That's LS. Think that's a 6.0? I don't see anything indicating that it is. Oh, yeah, it's only the half-ton axles. Might be a 4.8. Oh, look, we got the cold air intake on this bad boy. Is that a Hemi? Ford. What is this? That looks like a Ford body style. Those are some big cylinder heads. Scott, is that our Coyote engine? One of these days, I'm going to learn what a Coyote engine actually looks like. I'm just starting to learn what the good Fords are. What do we got here? Oh, for all you four-wheel drive fans. So, not only is it a Civic, it's perfection.
I think Civics have a bad problem.
That'll
with
buff.
I think they have a bad problem with their braking.
Right.
All of my CR and Christian in the back, they all Christian in the front.
They have all the wheels here. If you ever need wheels, there's a Cadillac over there. Here's an Escalade I didn't look at before. Also missing an engine and transmission on this one. Apparently this belonged to a rock star because they trashed it. This thing got tore up, dude.
They have wood, so maybe they were coming back from a camping trip or something like that.
Went off the edge of the mountain.
I don't know. Ripped it off with the rivets.
Tore off the Subaru muffler.
Off the Chevy truck.
Yeah. Hey! Nope. I was gonna say, I think I found a quarter panel that's not dented, but I lied. The lie detector determined that was a lie. 6.7 Power Stroke. That's not the 6.0, so it's all right, right? Yeah, driveline's ready to go.
With low miles, this could be yours. Can I please get a moment of silence?
Man, it's always a tragedy to see this. But it looks like someone left their speed hole tool here. I don't think I really went this way, but there's not really much anything there interesting. Maybe a Camaro, but it's only in pieces. Raiders fans when they come back from Vegas.
No, when they went to Vegas.
Oh. Raiders fans when they go to Vegas.
So down to the Las Vegas Raiders.
I don't understand that joke until he just explained it to me. I know nothing about sports.
The Oakland Raiders went to Fort banging the... Oakland Raiders got bought out by the...
I think this is the rest of the for sale section.
Mustang 5.0. What about this one? Is it? Oh, there's a cat eye or a Catfish Camaro SS. Probably comes with the LS1. Here's another Civic. Oh, that might be. This one's got hood pins. That's what yours needs. Yeah, Catfish Camaro. Well, it's probably got the LS1 in there.
The older body style.
I think that concludes this at we're at, where was it called? Like Juarez, but with an S. Suarez.
If you've been watching this long, you might as well subscribe.
And remember, don't wait for opportunity, create it.